Is your VW's touchscreen unresponsive? It's a common issue, especially in models with MIB systems versions 1 through 3. First, try a soft reset. Hold the volume and power buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears RAM without data loss and often resolves freezes caused by software glitches or overloaded CPU processes. If that doesn't work, a hard reset disconnecting the battery for 5 to 10 minutes is an option, but be aware that it might erase your settings. Remember to always start with the least disruptive solution. Keeping your software up to date is crucial. VW has rolled out widespread over-the-air OTA updates for MB3 and MB4 systems to fix bugs and improve performance. Check your vehicle's settings or the My Volkswagen app to see if an update is available. For older systems, updates might require a visit to the dealership for a reflash using VW's Otis system. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable and the ignition is on during the update process. If problems persist despite updates, consider that incompatible aftermarket accessories or extreme temperatures can also contribute to infotainment issues.